Blyth'S Frogmouth Batrachostomus affinis is a species of bird in the family Podargidae. The bird is a tropical species that ranges from India to Australia. Blyth'S Frogmouth is a small species that grows to 23 centimeters in length. The main color in their feathers is a shade of brown. These birds have a narrow white collar around their neck and abdomen, and scattered spots on their wings and tail. Frogmouths thrive in dense environments such as lowlands and hilly tropical rainforests. These birds spend most of their time roosting motionless on tree branches. Due to their brownish color, they camouflage well into the trees, which helps them to hide and protect themselves from their predators. This species makes a caw sound, like crows,